Hello and welcome back to another After Effects video. In this one, I'm going to look at 3D layers and blending modes. So you can see, just rotated them a little bit, both these layers on the y-axis. And let's take a look at blending mode, shall we? Let's do an overlay. Okay, so that is like an effect that you can get. So the way that blending modes work in 3D, essentially it's looking at the Z value in the position, and it sort of sorts it by Z value. So for instance, like, let's try a difference. Difference is normally a good way to show. You can see obviously we've got the alpha track mat on as well. The track mats though don't actually respond to Z sorting, so that is the difference between those two. You can kind of see quite clearly if we just make it big how the Z sorting is working. So you could easily like rotate this layer in the back. You take the sort of landscape layer in the Y direction, make it go in front. But you can sort of see like just how like simple it is to do, kind of like almost quite complex sort of effects. You're just using the blending modes. So definitely something worth looking at in more detail. I may actually come back to this because I'm actually quite surprised just how good the effects are from something like this.